Chevrolet Sonic 2012 to 2020 1.8 engine. The exhaust camshaft position sensor is located at the front on the right side of the engine. The intake camshaft position sensor is located on the right side at the back of the engine. To replace it, disconnect the connector, unscrew the bolt and replace the sensor with a new one.